Hello kapatid, maligayang kaarawan. I'm so grateful and thankful for this special day na ako'y makabati sa'yo. And I just pray that the Lord will bless you abundantly, good life, good health, more birthdays to come. And I know that God will grant the desires of your heart. Enjoy your special day, and I just want to say thank you for being such a great friend. At ikaw ay talagang minamahal ng lahat. And we are always praying for you. So enjoy your special day. Take care. God bless. Greetings from Arizona. This is Maria Edred Sifton. Happy birthday, kapatid. God bless. Bye-bye.
I'd just like to give a happy birthday to Tito Boy. Dumating ka sa buhay ko, ako'y walang pag-ibig sa'yo. Ang tanging nalalaman, gaganda ang buhay ko, pagkat nasilaw sa pangako mo. Ayoko balikan ang dusang iniwan, isinusumpa ko ang kahirapan, gagawin ng lahat upang magtagumpay, pagkat may pangako sa buhay. Ngunit ano ang nangyari, bakit nagkaganon? Panaho'y dumaan, isang pangako'y walang natuloy. Sinisikip na at ika'y lumayo, dinamdam ng labis ang mga sinabi ko. Sumisigaw ang puso ko nang mawala ka, sumibol lang pag-ibig na noon wala. Hindi ko malaman ang aking gagawin, magbalik ka lamang, kita'y mamahalin. Again, I just want to greet a happy birthday to Tito Boy, one of the, siya lang pala, the only one, Jukebox Prince ng Pilipinas. Ayokong balikan ang dusang iniwan, isinusumpa ko ang kahirapan, gagawin ang lahat upang magtagumpay, pagkat may pangako sa buhay. Ngunit ano ang nangyari, bakit nagkaganon? Panaho'y dumaan, isang pangako'y walang natuloy. Sinisikip na at ika'y lumayo, dinamdam ng labis ang mga sinabi ko. Sumisigaw ang puso ko nang mawala ka, sumibol lang pag-ibig na nooy wala. Hindi ko malaman ang aking gagawin, magbalik ka lamang, kita'y mamahalin. Sumisigaw ang puso ko nang mawala ka, sumibol lang pag-ibig na nooy wala. Hindi ko malaman ang aking gagawin, magbalik ka lamang, kita'y mamahalin. Alright. Alright, thank you so much. Happy birthday again.
Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Jesse Coutinho, of course, obvious ba? Jesse Blue TV. Nandito po ako ngayon kasi meron akong bago-birthday ng aking Bro Lods, Boy at Orca official. Happy birthday sa iyo, bro. Actually, bago ang lahat, gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na miss kita. Alam kong napakatagal mo nang absent o nag-mellow down ka sa live streaming sa YouTube. But then again, this is my chance to greet you at sabihin sa'yo na miss na kita, Bro. Boy at Orca official, good health syempre. Dahil pag maganda ang kalusugan natin, everything else will follow. At Lods Boys, nandito ang buong angkan babati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Go!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Bye, Lord Bro. Happy birthday!
Ayan guys, magandang buhay po sa inyong lahat. And syempre gusto ko lang batiin ang isa sa napakalapit at kaibigan natin dito sa social media here at YouTube. Kaya talagang napaka-humble and napaka-generous ng tao na ito. Kaya gusto ko siyang batiin ng Happy birthday to you. Ayan, magandang buhay sa inyong lahat and happy birthday. Ayan, sa nag-iisang Prince of Jukebox ng Pilipinas. Yan ay walang iba kundi si Kuya Boy at Orca. Maraming salamat Kuya Boy at sa time. Also, lalo na pag mga nagla-live tayo dati. And talagang na-miss namin yan. And sa mga puyatan na live. And syempre, nandiyan ang Team Boy at Orca lagi. Kaya, miss you and hope na makakapag-live at makakabalik ka na sa YT. Kaya maraming salamat and God bless and happy birthday. And this is Barline TV. God bless us all.
Take one!
Sabihin natin, wait, ano mo?
Teka muna.
Hindi, okay lang to.
Practice.
Pagkatapos to, i-ano nyo na lang yung i-cut nyo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Boyet. Tapos that's sa'yo.
Ano sa'yo?
Wishing you all the best. Ganyan.
Hi, Kuya Boyet. Happy birthday. Wish you the best.
Kumita
muna, magbuo muna tayo ng sasabihin natin.
Yung talagang sasabihin mo, wala nang ano yun lang pag na ano. Konti lang para hindi masyadong mahaba.
Kuya Boyet, happy birthday. We wish you the best and more power to your channel and to the Team Boo. And hopefully, we make our...
Mix mo naman, wala masyadong English.
Wikit ka naman eh.
Okay
we
na.
missed the second contract.
Wag mo yan. Wag mo i-video at masasayang yung video.
Mas maganda nga ito. Ito yung bloopers nyo eh. Tapos i-cut nyo. Ano ka ba?
Wag yan. Wag mo i-video. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Boyet.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boyet. This is Martes Miranda ng Vidivas Miranda. Ang bumabati po ng happy birthday and God bless and more power to your channel. And salamat sa first contract. Sana po second contract is coming out. Thank you.
Ayun, mega shout out Kuya Boy at Orca and happy birthday again. Ito na naman po kami, Auntie Divas Miranda. This is Annalisa Miranda and I wish you all the best, good health and more power to come. God bless you.
Hello, Kuya Boy at Orca. This is Dolores Miranda. Yan, bumabati po sa inyo ng happy birthday. Ang pinaka-cute sa Team Boo. Yan, Kuya Boyet. Ayan. Wishing you all the best, more powers, more birthdays to come, enjoy with your family and friends. Ayan, Kuya Boyet, second contract. Ayan, waiting. Sa Team Boo, ayan, marami pong salamat sa inyo sa bumubuo po ng Team Boo sa pag-invite sa amin sa meetings na ito kay Kuya Boyet. Maraming salamat. God bless you all. God bless everyone.
God bless po.
God bless
Bye.
everyone.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Bye.
Mwah.
Chup chup.
Hello and shout out to my friend. One of my friend, best friend in the white world. Woo! Budol time. Boyet Orca. Today is your special day. I wish you all the best on your birthday. Good luck, happiness. Huh? God bless you more. Stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Again, thank you for supporting me here on YouTube. How are you, my friend? Long time no see. No live anymore, so I'm stopping here, parking, and say hello and greeting you at your birthday. Woo! Shout out again and see you around your live streaming. When? I'm coming to your live streaming. Bye. See you again. I'm always here, available here. Yahoo, my friend. Boyet Orca. God bless you always. Bye.
Magandang buhay. Ayan, ako po si Big Boy Chabs na bumabati ng happy blessed birthday po kay Kuya Boyet Orca. Ayan, wish you more birthdays to come, more blessings to come, good health, and sana lagi po kayong masaya at namimiss na po namin kayo, maka-jamming. Ayan, sana mag-ingat po kayo lagi. Ayan, we love you, Kuya Boyet Orca, and happy blessed birthday po ulit. Ingat po lagi. Bye.
Hi! Welcome to my channel. Ay, kay Boyet pala. Welcome sa channel po ni Boyet. Ayan, today ay, naku Boyet, birthday mo na pala anak. Ako'y natutuwa at ako'y nakapagbati sa iyo. Ayan, si Boyet po ay napakabait na kaibigan. Ayan, kahit na hindi na kami nagkakausap ngayon, andyan pa rin po siya palagi na nakasuporta, mapa YouTube, mapa Facebook po, siya po ay nandiyan para sa akin. Maraming salamat anak at ako'y natutuwa kasi ayan, birthday mo na naman. Sana ay dumami pa ng dumami yung kaarawan. Sana syempre good health ang importante dyan anak. Sana palagi kang malakas ang pangangatawan mo. Ayan, love you anak, I miss you. Sana magkita tayo ulit. I wish you all the best anak. God bless you, bye bye, love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. This is All Live, taking the first greetings maybe from this wonderful team. Thank you so much for your kindness and the fun and the excitement that we had when we were together as a panel. That wasn't just an experience, but a great one. Thank you so much. A happy birthday. God bless you and your family and stay healthy.
Hi, Tito Boyet. This is Nikki. Happy birthday. Pasensya na nasa labas po ako. But anyways, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And hopefully soon makapag-jump po ulit tayo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Boyet. More greatest everything in your life. God bless you always.
Hello everyone. Long time no see. Hello BFF. Well, nandito ako para bumati sa iyo ng maligayang karawan at sana marami pang blessings ang ipagkaloob sa iyo ng Panginoon Diyos Ama dahil you deserve it, dahil isa kang mabuting tao. Okay? Ingat palagi. Tsaka maging masaya at special sana itong araw na ito. We, of course, with your family. Enjoy the day. And huwag mong pababayan ang sarili mo. And tuloy lang pag-abot ng pangarap. That's it. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. And of course, love you. Bye.
Hi everyone. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat. Ito po si Kuya Ray Mejia ng beautiful Willie Boy Philippines na bumabati ng isang maligayang karawan sa aking idol at isang matalik na kaibigan na si Boyet Orca. Wish ko, Boyet, sa birthday mo na sana lagi kang healthy and always happy, diba? Dapat lagi tayong healthy dahil para pag nakita tayo ulit, masaya, diba? Naalala ko yung banding natin nung nagpunta tayo kila Mambet. Ang saya, diba? Kulang yung 2 araw sa pagkasama natin. Sana, maulit muli. Looking forward to see you on your next visit. Again, happy birthday ulit, Boyet. Be healthy and always be happy. Bye!
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I just want to greet my very special friend, Yet. A very happy birthday. Wishing you all the best pa rin. As ever, good life, good health. At maging masaya ka, hindi lamang ngayong birthday mo, kundi throughout the years and the coming years. Thank you for being a friend. You're always there pag kailangan kita. Nagkataon lang na masyado tayo naging busy. Busy ako sa aking family. Busy ako sa school. Kahit sa church, involved pa rin ako. Kaya, di na tayo magkausap. But then again, gusto ko lang malaman mo na ako pa rin ito. Beth Badar as ever, walang nabago. You can count on me. At wish to see you again. Dahil hindi tayo masyadong nagkasama o nagkakwentuhan nung umuwi ka dito sa Pilipinas. O sana magkita ulit tayo. At mag-enjoy. And nga, kung kailangan mo ako bilang kaibigan, hindi ako nagbabago. Ako pa rin yung dati. Siyempre, ikaw pa rin yung idol ko. At mananatili yun till the end of time. So, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. And dito lang ako palagi. Beth Badar. And I love you, Yet.
Oh, wait a minute. We are not filming a movie. This is something even more special. We are celebrating a great person, a great personality in the music industry, Sir Boyet Orca. I hope you still recognize me without my honeycomb hair. I'm sending these warm greetings on your birthday. I still remember when I first saw you live stream in YouTube, I was like starstruck. I couldn't believe, how down to earth you are. And your talent as a great singer and your charm as an actor, and you are really an inspiration. You radiate such happiness. You make everyone feel at home, that warmth that you have. Great memories to cherish forever. You'll celebrate today with a big bang, hit those high notes in music and in life. You have everything that life offers, but still I'm wishing you all happiness and all the blessings in life. You are surrounded with great people, great friends, and that is one of the treasures. So all the best. Happy birthday to a superstar, Sir Boyet Orca.
Hello everyone! Ayan, mega love shoutout po sa inyong lahat, especially sa ating birthday celebrant, Sir Boyet. Napakabilis ng panahon, 1 taon na naman ang lumipas, 1 taon na naman ang itinanda. Pero ang nakakapagtaka, parang hindi tumatanda si Sir Boyet. O hindi ba? I think lahat naman nag-agree. Now Sir Boyet, happy birthday. I wish you the best of everything. And gusto ko na rin mag-take ng opportunity para pasalamatan ka for being a good friend to me. You know, matagal na rin tayong magkaibigan since pandemic time pa. And although hindi na tayo active sa YouTube, intact pa rin ang friendship natin. So, maraming salamat. And talagang I am very lucky having a friend like you. Lahat ng mga advices mo sa akin, sina-apply ko naman sa buhay ko. And alam mo naman kung gaano ako ka-appreciative sa kind of friendship na meron tayo. So ayan, I wish you the best of everything, especially good health. And kung meron ka pang wishes and dreams na hindi pa na-achieve, I hope and I wish na matupad na rin yon very soon. Ayan, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you always. Bye!